Hi, this is Derek Van Kluyve from the Boathouse here in beautiful sunny Naples, sitting behind the awesome R8 Outboard from Cobalt. You'll notice you have a great access here to these twin Garmin 12-inch screens, which will give you your navigation on one side, engine instrumentation on the other, or you can have this with sonar or whatever you'd like to see in front of you. Beautifully appointed billet switches right across the dash to be able to control all your lighting and pumps throughout the boat. Plus, I have an access into my stereo right here in the helm as well. Now, optionally, we put this boat with the digital throttle and steering, autopilot, as well as joystick. So you're fully appointed on a Helmmaster Level 4 series, super easy to control for docking, and this is done on twin Yamaha 300s. So you have a ton of power on this boat, whether you want to run at lower speeds and have a great fuel economy, or if you want to be a rocket ship, this boat will break 60 miles an hour. So just to highlight what you have in the bow, you've got two great loungers on either side with flip down armrests and nice stainless steel appointments for all of the hardware involved. Plus, every single seat that you're going to see up there is going to be hinged. So it flips open with one hand. You don't have to worry about moving a cushion to another location. Plus, if you go to the captain's side and open up the backrest, you have a huge cavernous storage down below, including one of the subwoofers for the stereo system. As you step back in the cockpit of this boat, you're going to notice that you have twin loungers off the aft with flip-flop backrests, got a comfortable position to be seated in, tons of cup holders throughout the gunnels, and you'll notice that everything has a cushion behind you. You're not sitting up against raw fiberglass. Nice double diamond stitching throughout and well appointed. This will remind you of the interior of what you'll find from an Italian yacht. We open up this cavernous storage you see here in the back. We have an awesome lazarette storage. So for your bulk life jackets, anyone who's bringing on inflatable paddle boards, great storage for everything there. Here on the platform, you get to see one of my favorite parts of every boat, the Yamaha 300s. On a 28-foot boat with an 8.6 beam makes this boat fly. Comfortably cruising, you're going to be looking at around 2,800 RPMs and you're doing 32 miles per hour. And top end speeds, you're going to be breaking well into the 60s. So again, this has been Derek Van Kluyve with the Boathouse here in beautiful sunny Naples, Florida. And if you like this boat or anything else that you see on our website, please don't hesitate to give us a shout. And thank you for stopping by. We'll see you on the water.